everyone, my name is Scott Webster with Greenbox Heating and Air. Today I want to talk to you about the ABCO air purification system. We've had a lot of inquiries about this lately, and I want to just kind of go over the product and its benefits to you. The ABCO air purification system is a UVC germicidal air purification system that will remove volatile organic compounds out of your home, such as the products we have on this table. These type of products produce an off-gassing in your house. They produce odors and smells that can last up to a decade in your home. Even carpets have polypropylene in them. Those type of things can have a gas or an odor to them. So one of the things the unit does is it filters out those odors. The other thing it does is it has a UVC Germicidal Light. As you can see, the blue light shining on top of this evaporator coil. It keeps fungus and molds and bacteria from growing on the coil. We want to do that because coils are cold, dark, damp places, and cold, dark, damp places will give the elements necessary to grow mold, fungus, and bacteria, and those things are harmful to our health and to our bodies. The other thing that it does is it purifies the air as it passes through the unit and travels in through your house. So it's going to keep those volatile things from happening inside of your body. So our lungs are essentially a filter, and we don't want those type of things growing inside of our body. If you have any more questions about the ABCO units, please give us a call.